If you want to make it easier to browse and find photos in OneDrive, turning on the People section is a great feature to use. It helps group pictures of the same person together, so your photo library becomes much more organized and much easier to search through. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the People section in OneDrive step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open OneDrive in your web browser. You can do this from any modern browser, whether you're on a Windows PC, Mac, or even a Chromebook. Once OneDrive loads, sign in using the Microsoft account that you use for your photos and files. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account, because the settings need to be changed on the account where your photos are stored. After you're signed in, look toward the top of the page for the settings icon. This is usually the gear-shaped icon in the upper corner. Click on it to open the settings menu. Inside that menu, select Options. This will take you to the main OneDrive Options page, where you can control different features related to photos, files, and other account settings. Now, on the Options page, look for the Photos section. This is where OneDrive keeps the photo-related settings, including the feature that helps identify and organize people in your images. Open the Photo settings, and then look for the People section option. You should see a setting that says Use AI to find and organize photos. Turn that on. This is the key step that enables OneDrive to analyze your photo library and group similar faces together. Once that setting is enabled, OneDrive can begin organizing your photos by person. Depending on how many photos you have, it may take some time before the People section starts showing results. If you don't see changes right away, that's completely normal. Give OneDrive a little time to process your library, especially if you have a large number of images stored in the cloud. It's also a good idea to make sure your photos are actually uploaded to OneDrive and not just stored locally on your device. The People section works best when your pictures are already backed up online. If needed, upload a few test photos and check back later to see how OneDrive begins grouping them. If you ever want to turn this feature off later, you can come back to the same photo settings and disable the AI option again. But if your goal is to make photo searching easier, keeping it enabled is usually the best choice. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable the People section in OneDrive. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference when you want to find photos faster and keep everything better organized. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.